Did you know that over 37 million Americans are living with chronic kidney disease? And the majority of them have absolutely no idea? That is a staggering number. And if you are watching this today, there is a very real chance that your kidneys are quietly struggling right now without ever sending you a loud warning signal. Your kidneys work harder than almost any other organ in your body. Every single day, they filter over 200 liters of blood, flush out harmful toxins, balance your blood pressure, and keep your whole body in perfect chemical harmony. But as we age, and especially after the age of 50, kidney function can begin to decline, sometimes slowly, sometimes faster than we expect. Here is the good news, and I want you to really hear this. Nature has provided us with some of the most powerful kidney cleansing tools imaginable, and they come in the form of something you probably already love: a warm, soothing cup of tea. Not just any tea, though. I'm talking about 6 very specific morning teas that researchers and doctors have studied extensively. Teas that can help flush toxins, reduce dangerous inflammation, and actually support the restoration of healthy kidney function, all before you have even finished your breakfast. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through all 6 of these incredible teas, explaining exactly what makes each one so powerful, what the science says about each one, and how you can easily start drinking them first thing every morning. So please do not click away. Stay right here with me, because the very next tea I mention could be the one that changes how your kidneys feel for the rest of your life. Let's start with a tea that has been used as a natural medicine for over 1,000 years, and yet so many people today simply walk past it in their gardens without ever realizing the treasure they are ignoring. Dandelion root tea is, without question, one of the most powerful kidney cleansing beverages known to natural medicine, and a landmark 2011 study published in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine confirmed what traditional healers had known for centuries: that dandelion acts as a potent natural diuretic, helping your kidneys flush out far more toxins, waste products, and excess water than they could manage on their own. Now, why does this matter so much for you? Because when your kidneys are even slightly overloaded, and this happens more and more as we get older, that backup of waste in your blood can cause fatigue that feels bone deep, swelling in your ankles and feet, brain fog that makes you feel like you are walking through treacle, and a general heaviness that no amount of sleep seems to fix. Dandelion root tea works by stimulating your kidneys gently but effectively, encouraging them to produce more urine, and in doing so, pushing out the waste your body desperately needs to shed. But here is something truly remarkable. Unlike pharmaceutical diuretics, which can strip your body of vital potassium and leave you feeling worse, dandelion root is itself rich in potassium. That means your body actually replaces what it loses, keeping the whole system in healthy balance. If you can brew a cup of dandelion root tea first thing every single morning, even before your breakfast, you will be giving your kidneys the morning wake-up call they have been waiting for. Now, the second tea on our list is one that surprises almost everyone when they hear about its kidney benefits, because most people associate it with itchy skin rather than healing. But nettle leaf tea, made from the leaves of the common stinging nettle plant, is something that kidney specialists and herbalists have quietly been recommending for decades. A 2019 research review published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that nettle leaf is packed with powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that directly reduce the kind of chronic inflammation that quietly damages kidney tissue over time. And here is why that is so critical for you. Inflammation is one of the biggest hidden enemies of kidney health, especially in people over 60. You cannot see it, you often cannot feel it, but it is slowly wearing away at the delicate filtering membranes inside your kidneys every single day. Nettle leaf tea works to switch off those inflammatory pathways, creating an environment in which your kidneys can actually begin to recover and repair. On top of that, nettle acts as a gentle but effective diuretic, helping your kidneys increase urine flow and push out the bacteria, crystals, and mineral deposits that can build up and cause painful kidney stones. If you have ever had a kidney stone, or if your doctor has warned you that you are at risk of developing one, drinking nettle leaf tea every morning is one of the simplest, most natural steps you can take to protect yourself. It has a mild, earthy flavor that many people find wonderfully comforting, especially on a cool morning. If there is one ingredient that has been studied more extensively than almost any other natural substance for its effects on the body's internal organs, it is ginger. And the science behind ginger's relationship with kidney health is genuinely breathtaking. A powerful 2016 study from researchers at Mansoura University in Egypt looked at patients with kidney damage and found that ginger extract significantly reduced markers of kidney injury, lowered oxidative stress inside kidney tissue, and actually helped restore measurable kidney function in ways that researchers described as impressive. Now, oxidative stress is something that your doctor may never have mentioned to you by name, but I promise you, it is something your body is dealing with every single day, especially as you get older. Think of oxidative stress as a kind of internal rust, unstable molecules called free radicals attacking your cells, including the delicate, specialized cells inside your kidneys that do all that remarkable filtering work. Ginger is loaded with gingerols and shogols, two of the most potent natural antioxidant compounds ever identified, and these compounds sweep through your kidneys like a cleaning crew, neutralizing those harmful free radicals and protecting your kidney cells from further damage. But there is even more to ginger tea than its antioxidant power. Ginger is also a remarkable anti-inflammatory agent, and its ability to lower inflammation throughout your body, including in your kidneys, has been confirmed in multiple peer-reviewed studies going back to the early 2000s. And let's not forget its ability to improve circulation, because healthy blood flow to and from your kidneys is absolutely essential for them to filter properly. A warm cup of freshly brewed ginger tea every morning is like giving your kidneys a warm, protective embrace from the inside. Green tea is one of the most consumed beverages on the entire planet, and for generations, the people of Japan, a nation famous for its extraordinary longevity, have made it a cornerstone of their daily health routine. But what you may not know is just how directly and powerfully green tea works to protect and support your kidneys specifically. A landmark 2013 study published in the prestigious International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that the catechins in green tea, a family of extraordinary antioxidant compounds, directly protected kidney cells from oxidative damage and helped reduce the buildup of uric acid crystals that can cause kidney stones and gout. But the benefits of green tea go even further than that. Japanese researchers conducting a long-term population study in 2010 found that people who drank green tea regularly had measurably better kidney function than those who did not. And that association held even after controlling for diet, exercise, and other lifestyle factors. What makes green tea so uniquely powerful is a compound called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, which has now been identified in hundreds of studies as one of the most potent anti-inflammatory, cell-protecting substances in the natural world. For your kidneys, EGCG means reduced inflammation, improved filtration efficiency, and a significantly lower risk of developing the kind of chronic kidney damage that so many people your age are quietly experiencing right now. One warm cup of high-quality green tea, ideally brewed at around 80 degrees Celsius so you preserve all those precious catechins, is all it takes to start giving your kidneys this profound daily protection. Now we come to a tea that might genuinely surprise you. One that almost nobody thinks of as a health drink, and yet, in the world of natural kidney care, it is considered one of the most targeted, most effective cleansing herbs you can put in your body. Parsley tea. Yes, that humble little green herb you probably have sitting in your kitchen right now. The one you sprinkle on your food as a garnish and think nothing more of. It turns out, when you brew it as a tea and drink it first thing in the morning, it becomes one of the most powerful kidney flushing agents in nature's entire pharmacy. A remarkable 2002 study published in a journal of ethnopharmacology confirmed that parsley has significant diuretic properties, meaning it actively stimulates your kidneys to produce more urine and, critically, to hold on to more of the beneficial minerals like calcium and potassium that your body needs, while flushing out the harmful waste products and excess sodium that damage your kidney tissue over time. But parsley's kidney benefits do not stop at diuresis. It is also exceptionally rich in two vitamins that play a direct role in kidney health, vitamin C and vitamin K, and it contains a powerful compound called apigenin, a natural flavonoid that multiple studies have shown can reduce kidney inflammation and actually inhibit the growth of kidney cysts. For anyone who has been told they may have polycystic kidney disease, or who simply wants to protect their kidneys from the kind of cystic damage that so often goes undiagnosed until it is quite advanced, parsley tea, drunk consistently every morning, could be one of the most important habits you ever develop. Simply steep a generous handful of fresh parsley leaves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to enhance the mineral absorption and drink it warm. Your kidneys will reward you for it. And now we have arrived at the sixth and final tea on our list. And in many ways, I have saved the most powerful for last. Turmeric tea, sometimes called golden milk tea when it is blended with warm plant-based milk and a pinch of black pepper, has an almost unparalleled body of scientific research behind it. And when it comes specifically to kidney protection and restoration, the evidence is extraordinary. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been the subject of over 12,000 published scientific studies, and a pivotal 2017 research review in the journal Biomed Research International concluded that curcumin was one of the most promising natural substances ever identified for the prevention and treatment of chronic kidney disease. Now, how does it work? In two primary ways that are absolutely critical for anyone over 50 who wants to protect their kidneys. First, curcumin is one of the most potent anti-inflammatory compounds ever discovered. It blocks a key molecule in your body called NF-κB, the master switch of inflammation, preventing it from activating the cascade of inflammatory processes that slowly, silently destroy kidney tissue over time. Second, curcumin is a powerful antioxidant that protects kidney cells from the oxidative damage caused by high blood sugar, high blood pressure, certain medications, and the simple process of aging. One very important thing to remember when you make turmeric tea, always add a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, and research has shown that piperine increases your body's ability to absorb curcumin by up to 2,000%. Without that pinch of black pepper, you are leaving the vast majority of turmeric's incredible kidney healing power on the table. Brew it warm, sip it slowly, and feel it working its way through your body with every single cup. Now that you know which 6 teas can make such a transformative difference to your kidney health, I want to take a few moments to share with you exactly how to get the very best out of each one, because how you drink these teas matters just as much as which teas you choose. The single most important thing you can do is drink your chosen tea first thing in the morning before you eat anything. The reason for this is beautifully simple. When you wake up, your body has been in a fasted state for 7 or 8 hours, your digestive system is clear, and your kidneys are primed and ready to absorb and utilize everything you give them. Drinking a kidney-supportive tea at this moment is like giving your kidneys a powerful head start before the demands of the day begin to pile up. Think of it as your kidney's daily reset button. You also want to make sure you are drinking enough plain water throughout the rest of your day. This might sound obvious, but you would be surprised how many people, especially those of us who are a little older, consistently drink far less water than our bodies need. Dehydration is one of the most common and overlooked causes of reduced kidney function, and yet it is so entirely preventable. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, on top of your morning tea, and you will give your kidneys the fluid volume they need to do their filtering work properly. Try to avoid drinking your kidney teas with sugar. Sweetened beverages create an additional metabolic load that can actually counteract some of the benefits you are trying to achieve. If you need a little sweetness, a small amount of raw honey is a far better choice than refined sugar, and it brings its own gentle anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties to the cup. And wherever possible, choose organic herbs for your teas. Conventionally grown herbs can carry residual pesticide traces, and the last thing you want to do when you are trying to detoxify your kidneys is to introduce new chemical burdens at the very same time. Organic parsley, organic dandelion root, organic turmeric, these choices may cost a little more, but for the sake of your kidney health, they are absolutely worth it. Your kidneys have been faithfully serving you every moment of your life. it is time to give something back to them. So there you have it, your complete guide to the 6 most powerful morning teas for flushing toxins and restoring kidney function. Dandelion root, nettle leaf, ginger, green tea, parsley, and turmeric. 6 incredible gifts from nature, 6 simple cups, and 6 profoundly good reasons to rethink your morning routine starting from tomorrow. The most important thing I want you to take away from this video is this. You are not powerless when it comes to your kidney health. You do not have to wait for a scary diagnosis to start taking care of yourself. Every single morning is a fresh opportunity to give your kidneys the support they need to keep working beautifully for you for years and decades to come. Small, consistent, daily actions are what build extraordinary health. And something as simple as swapping your first cup of the morning to one of these 6 teas could make a bigger difference than you ever imagined. Now, I have a small favor to ask of you, and it would mean the world to me. If this video gave you something valuable today, if it opened your eyes to something you did not know before, please give it a thumbs up right now. It takes just 1 second, and it tells me that you want more content like this. And if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Every week, I bring you the most important, most research-backed natural health information I can find. All of it designed with you in mind. Share this video with someone you love, a family member, a friend, anyone you care about who you think might benefit from knowing this. And I would absolutely love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you ever tried any of these teas? Do you have a favorite? Let me know, because your experience might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. Your next cup of tea could be the first step toward the healthiest chapter of your life. Start tomorrow morning. Your kidneys are counting on you.